WesFuner 3-pack foam airplane launcher toys, flying adventures for kids and adults. The better quality launcher and warranty. The launchers have improved on snaps and elastic connecting strips by manufacturer, and they will be more durable by their test, and it owns a higher strength on snaps and elastic connecting strips so that you can enjoy it because of better qualify on launcher, okay, a better quality on launcher. And at the same time, if the airplane toys have the quality problem, the warranty guarantee will be provided within 1 month. Fly up to 33 and 49 feet. This foam airplanes for kids have an effective range of 33 to 49 feet with a lightweight, impact resistant, good flexibility, and convenient carrying, high performance, free flight advantage. And it is good for kids' health. Outdoor sports will be good for children's health and provide an opportunity for kids on throwing these glider playing it around in your playroom or outside for hours. Kids will learn how to launch airplane toys, help to develop coordination, critical thinking skills with a practical way. Will also improve their hand-eye combination, coordination, observation in the sense of the direction. Child can put the phone and the computer down and enjoy running by picking up toys. And they have 3-pack airplane toy, include one launcher, 3 airplanes, and 3 beauty stickers, and 1 instruction on airplane installation itself and airplane launcher installation. Okay, if you want to get to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.